is a type of cut which starts from the armhole, and there are three parts for the princess cut kurti also like kalidar. So this is the center part and these two side parts. Princess cut also there are options to add flare for the center part or both the side part or in all of three parts or else only straight cut. There are so many options to enhance this princess cut kurti with two contrast color of fabric, or can add piping or lace or border, or with designer stitches, anything you can do. So there are so many options with the princess cut kurti also. For the princess kurti, you can use the paper pattern of fitted kurti, that plain kurti without dart. So here I am showing the drafting measurement that you can see in the first video with the fitted kurti, and follow the same for the drafting of the plain kurti without dart. So that paper pattern will be helpful to draw princess. 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 is the length of the kurti plus 1 inch for bottom fold. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 is the total width of the kurti, that is 1/4 of the hip plus half inch for ease and half inch for seam. 0 to 4 is the 1/4 of the chest minus 1.5 inch, that is for armhole length. 0 to 5 is half of the shoulder plus 1/4 inch. 0 to 7 is 1/12 of the chest, that is for the neck width. 0 to 8 is the back neck length, that is you can take same as 0 to 7 or as per your choice. Here you mark 6 to 6.5 inch for the front neck length. Join 6 to 7 and draw the neck shapes. 4 to 9 is the 1/4 of the chest plus 1 inch for ease and 1 inch for seam. 0 to 10 is the waist length measurement, and 10 to 11 is 1/4 of the waist plus half inch for ease and 1 inch for seam. 13 is the total width of the kurta, same as which we have taken 0 to 2 and 1 to 3. Draw front and back armhole shape and join the side seam line on 9, 11, 13 and 3. Showing the drafting to draw the princess shape. Measure 0 to 15 as 1/4 of the chest plus 1 inch, and 15 to 16 will be 3/3/4 inch. Measure on hip line also 3/3/4 inch, and the bottom flare 1 to 18 also 3/3/4 inch, and draw a straight line from 18 to 16. 17 is the center point of 5 to 19, that which we are taking for the to draw the armhole shape, that is same measurement. So on 17 to 16 this is the princess shape to draw. Place your French curve this way and draw the princess shape on 16 to 17. Three parts of the princess cut kurti, one is center part and two side parts. Cut the outline of the princess cut kurta on 1, 18, 3, 14, 12, 10, 17 with the back armhole shape, 6, 7 and 8 with the back neckline. Same way cut for the front part with the front armhole shape and neckline. Separate princess cut on 18, 16 and 17. Part for the princess cut kurta will be, if it is for back part also the princess cut, then 2 center parts and 4 side parts. If it is only on front side, then 1 plain back part, for front part 1 center part and 2 side parts, 2 sleeves, and neckline strips, or however you want to finish the neckline accordingly. And if there is open, then button patti placket also. Placing on the fabric, always cut extra. If the fabric is cotton, then 1/4 inch is enough, or else ½ inch you add for the seam line on princess cut for the center part and the side part also. Side part also you can place this way, ulta palta, if the fabric print is not in one sided. Flare, place your paper pattern on another paper and draw the outline up to the hip line. Here is on fold, this is the center part, this is on fold, and after hip line you can increase your flare by 3 to 4 inch and cut with the flare marking. Then this will be the final piece to place on the fabric. For the side part, if you want to add the flare, then place on another sheet of paper and draw the outline up to the hip line. After hip line, add flare as per your choice, 3 to 4 inch, and cut with flare. This will be the final piece of side part to place on fabric. One more option, you can cut back part plain without dart or with dart, and only front part you cut with the princess cut shape. Of stitching is starting with the center and side part of this princess shape. So better pin it properly because this part is curved. So pin it properly from this armhole up to the down flare. Don't stretch, just simply match and pin it. There are already so many videos uploaded to learn how to stitch the piping or how to finish the necklines, different type of necklines, different type of sleeves. So that number of the videos are given in the title card in the beginning of the video only, that you follow and enhance your kurti. Want to insert the piping, then this way you can stitch with piping or plain also you can stitch. Then join two side parts with center part. Joining the princess pieces with center two sides, the part will look like this. The earlier rule to stitch the kurta, if there is any open, then finish open, then join front and back shoulder and finish neckline, finish the sleeve bottom and join with the by matching front and back armhole, side seam along with the sleeve this way, and at the end finish the bottom flare. Kurti is also very simple and easy to stitch, so for sure stitch a princess cut kurti. Two type of churidar I will show, plain and with the bag stitching also. So next video I'll show two type of placing, cutting and stitching of churidar. So subscribe now, Home Tailoring by Kusum Sharma, to get the notification for the same.